Alright y'all, so I hope you can see some more light. The project that we're doing right now, grab these gloves, go ahead and throw these on. Is that we're gonna be doing a restore and maybe a customization of this toy right here. This is a Sesame Street Big Bird. What year? Year 2000. Year 2000. Let's see if you guys can see that. So yeah, year 2000 Big Bird. So first things first, what I want to do is go ahead and take it apart. That's why I have the gloves on, because you never know. You never quite know with these things. So let's go ahead and we'll just take it apart. Where's my screwdriver? Here it is. So there's 6 screws on the bottom, and we'll go ahead and we'll just take those apart. I need to get some more light. Hold on. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and take these 6 screws off. So I'm gonna do that. Might not do it on camera perfectly, but the screws are very corroded. If I can't get look at that corrosion. This one might come off. But they're not trying to come off though. I'm gonna have to get a different screwdriver. That was not working. I'm gonna try a screwdriver that's a little bit bigger. There we go. Oh, there we go. Now we're gonna see, what the insides look like. Okay, so this little piece right here goes under this, and it's to control this. So already that's been fixed, so that's cool. See how it works. So you would have it up and then that would be like that, and then you would press it. You press down. Maybe that's not how it goes. I have to look at that some more. Okay, now we can go in with some paint. We have the figure completely tore down, but before we do that, we're going to try to get some of this corrosion up, just so the rust does not eat away at everything. So we're going to get some of this corrosion up, and then going to definitely prime this. Probably going to leave this as is because the wheels do not come off. And then got some other plans as well, but for right now this is good enough.